Hey guys, this is Ryan from Most Wanted Printing, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to cut 3mm max metal with just two easy tools. Alright, so what I have here is one of my old signs. This is pre-painted white on 3mm max metal, and what we're going to do is I'm going to trim it right down here. All you need is a pencil, a T-square for drywall, and I already drew my line there, but you would just measure up where you need to, make the point, and then we're just going to use a utility knife to cut that off. Alright, so I got my T-square lined up perfect, and I'm going to take this, my utility knife, and have good pressure. You got to have good pressure on this the whole way through, because if you don't, it's going to slide around. You're not going to have a straight line or anything like that. So you actually hold this, good pressure, get your first line started. Once you get your first line started, then you're going to put some more pressure into it. So I'm cutting about halfway through it right now. I'm really getting through that metal. Alright, now once you get your line cut, you're going to bring it to like an edge of a straight table, and we'll put it right here, and you're just going to apply some pressure. And it will just pop, just like that. And there you have it. Perfect cut. It will be hanging off. You have to trim the excess with a knife. Be very careful doing this because you can easily cut your hands. It looks like this one's just going to tear off. And I would actually use gloves when I'm doing this because there's a very sharp edge on this. So it's a safety tip for you guys. And you can grab some sandpaper, buffer the edge, get it nice and clean. And that's how you do it. Perfectly cut straight line. Easy. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you have any questions or you need help, just comment on the video and subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be posting a lot about screen printing and signs. Thanks, and have a great day, everyone.